What's good, meathead? Inside today's video, I want to share with you what I believe are the top 7 kettlebell exercises that as a beginner you should prioritize before moving on to some of the more complex and dynamic moves that are responsible for building even more of the lean and powerful muscle tissue that these killer implements can and will deliver. Regarding this methodical, progression-based approach to which exercises you choose and what the goal is for each, here's what I suggest. If you are a beginner to kettlebell training, focus on building a foundation of strength, endurance, and mastery of the simplest of movements that you see in this list. Then after you've developed this proficiency, you can graduate to the more crazy, dynamic, and athletic-based movements that require more overall strength and coordination to properly execute. Focus on progressions and learn to crawl before you walk, and learn to walk before you run. Hey man, thanks for checking out today's kettlebell tutorial video. If you enjoyed it and want me to do more lists like this on any other subject that pertains to helping you develop a more lean and powerful physique that allows you to look and perform like a badass, let me know by giving this video a thumbs up and leaving your suggestions for these future videos down in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't done so already, please make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss out on any of the future videos I post up on a daily basis here that are jam-packed with the tips and routines responsible for helping you look like, lift like, and live like the most badass version of yourself that you could possibly imagine and that nature intended for. Appreciate your time, guys. Have a good one. MANdler.